All right, guys, here we are back at this lawn. And let me tell you what, this lawn was the one I was the least sure about. 50-50 chance, so much went wrong with it to start. Not even sure if it was gonna take well. And then it poured and disaster happened. I mean, everything that could have gone wrong did go wrong. But Comand soil came through, and coming back and cleaning it up really helped. Check out this yard. Look at the difference here. Now, nothing has been applied till just right now. I just applied some nitrogen, potassium, micronutrients, another pest prevention because this yard did have chinch bugs, and some weed control. Not many weeds, but they're starting to pop up. So I went ahead and treated it now, and it's doing so much better that I feel really confident in it. Now, you know, it's not 100% amazing or anything like that, but from where we started at, this yard has transformed incredibly. I mean, look at the difference. It obviously still needs to fill in here in some small spots, but overall, from what it was, made a huge difference. So really happy to see. And now it's got its first round of food, other than just the soil that we put down, and it can really start to thrive. And this is great because it's been brutally hot here. If anyone's in Florida, I mean, we're talking 110 degree heat index for close to 2 weeks now. So luckily we have been getting some rain, so that helps, and even not too much rain, but just this heat is just brutal for anything. So this yard's gonna make a recovery. Now, that lateral growth is always the smallest to fill in, but as you can see, as we stand back, I mean, what a difference. And you can see it from the neighbor's yard, and this was by far the worst yard on the street, and you can just see the massive difference. But now it's just the slow game of making sure we're treating weeds, getting it to fill in. This yard is actually signed up for a spray program, so I'm going to be constantly coming back treating this yard, which is great because I'm going to be on top of it, taking care of it all the time, and I can see what it needs and make sure this yard succeeds. So we're pretty much guaranteed success here for this yard. But this is, I think, the best and biggest comeback of a yard that has ever happened. I can't wait to keep following up with this and watching this yard. But from the start, what an incredible, incredible difference.